Hello, everybody. Welcome back. I'm Jan. If you're new here, thank y'all for being here. Today, we're going to make some Alfredo. Now, real Alfredo is just butter and cheese. Obviously, this is what we Americans have done to it, but it's good. So, the first thing I'm going to do is get our fettuccine on the boil. I'm going to get the water on to boil. I'm going to add in at least a heaping tablespoon of salt in there, and then I'm going to add our fettuccine. All right, y'all, this is 12 ounces of pasta. So not a pound. I'm definitely making enough Alfredo sauce to cover a pound. And that's because I'm also going to add chicken to this. But for this video, at least, I'm just going to focus on making the actual Alfredo. So as soon as the water gets boiling, we'll get our noodles on. Okay, I almost forgot the most important ingredient. A stick of butter. You need a stick of butter. So to make your Alfredo sauce, you need a stick of butter, 3 tablespoons of minced garlic, 4 ounces of room temp cream cheese, at least a half a cup of parmesan cheese. Again, I'm using a cup, but you really only need a half a cup. And then you need a cup of cream and at least some black pepper. And our just got our noodles on to boil. In 10 minutes. Now, a pack of fettuccine, if you're using a pack, it says 11 to 12 minutes. I only boil them for 10 minutes. Now, that's entirely up to you, but I generally always go a couple of minutes less than the package says, because we're going to add the fettuccine to our sauce when it gets done anyway, so it'll still cook a little bit more. All right, now. Here we go. Give it just a little stir so they don't stick to the bottom. And that's it. 10 minutes. And make sure it's boiling before you start timing it. Okay, y'all. Into this pan goes our stick of butter. And I've got this on medium high, so it should heat up pretty quickly. Okay. One. Two. 3. Hardly. I'm gonna drop stuff. No. Okay. Oh, that smells so good. It's gonna be delicious. Okay. Butter and garlic. Got that bubbling away. Now I'm gonna turn this down to medium low. I'm going to add our cream cheese. Again, that's 4 ounces. And we're going to get that melted in. Make sure you save at least a cup of your pasta water, just in case we need to thin our sauce out any.
Cup of cream.
Y'all, this smells so good. Now our cheese. I really wish y'all could smell this. Oh, it smells so good. And y'all, it's just that easy to make Alfredo. I'm probably going to add just a little bit of our pasta water. Not a lot, just a little. Thin it out a little because I put a lot of cheese in it. So that's why it's getting so thick. Here we go, y'all. Now, I left out, I'm going to say, I don't know, 2 or 3 ounces of the fettuccine, but that's because I'm going to add some pieces of chicken to this, and I really like a lot of sauce, so. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? When I'll tell y'all this is the best Alfredo I've ever had, I'm not kidding. It is so easy to make your own Alfredo. And then from here, you know, if you want to grill some chicken and add it to it, whatever you want to do. Y'all see how creamy? Oh, God, it's so good. Here we go, y'all. It smells so good. I'm dying to get into it. I had to make me up some garlic bread really quick. And I add a little bit of dried parsley on top. Let's see if I can do this. I probably can't. That's a big bite. Let's try a little bite right here. I guess there will be no little bites. Oh, there we go. Now then. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. This is compound butter I made up. Garlic. Butter, garlic, and parsley. And I'll just keep it in the freezer. You know, frozen in a log. Yeah. This is amazing. I'm telling you, the best Alfredo you'll ever have is the Alfredo you make yourself. This is so good. Mm. I was going to add some chicken. Doesn't need any chicken. I want to just savor the sauce. Y'all please give this a try. Easy peasy. Homemade Alfredo. Thank y'all for being here. I'll see you soon.